first feelings of doing a thru hike are all about excitement and adventure. But you quickly get the fear of uncomfortable, cold, loneliness and danger. Once you get out there, you do not find any of those. For the contrary, you are surrounded by the natural beauty, what you are made of. Somehow you'll feel connected. A harmony that makes you belong here in the first place. Being a hiker is one of the simplest ways to enjoy nature. Here you have the time. Time to hike, to explore, to observe, to hear, to smell, and to think. Time to breathe and feel the energy. Discovering new places and emotions are something that is really exciting. Feelings that you would only find on foot and your own will. Don't try to reach the final destination fast. Once you get there, you wish to go back and enjoy every single moment. The trail is not to be an escape, but to be immersed. Let it go, and let nature be your medicine.